Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are fine and doing lots of studies time. This is Neha here. So today I am going to explain the first chapter of English book for 5th class. But before this, I am going to show you the book. So this is your English reader book of class 5. And today I am going to explain chapter first, The Truth. It is a beautiful poem. The truth, it means sachai. My dear student, the poem Truth is divided into 6 stanzas. It is written by Anthony Smith. The poem is about the power of words. The poet is addressing the poem to all the human beings of the world that truth is a thing which is never end after death. Truth and lie is not enemy, but they are those part of life of people which is show his value. But so so, as you know by the name of the poem, The Truth, it makes us remind that the poem is about telling truth. What is the value of truth in our life? It is very important that one should speak truth always. A person, a child who speaks truth, he or she is loved by everyone, get respect, and will be successful in their life. So, all these things we are going to discuss in this poem. So, let's start the poem. See the first stanza. Say what you want, mean what you say. Remember the darkest light of that day. Whatever you are speaking, whatever you say, that should be truth only. Never tell a lie. Sometimes if you make false promises, if you do wrong things, that brings trouble for you. That brings problem in our life. It means we have to speak truth every time and we are not to make false promises that will bring trouble for us. Now come to the second stanza. Be who you are, do as you please. The truth is going to bring you to your knees. It means be who you are, whatever. What you are, be that only. Don't try to pretend, don't try to imitate other. Imitate means to follow others. Sometimes the children say, like that, I like that person mostly, the heroes. I want to be like that. It is a good thing that if you are following them, that they have done something good. But make your own personality. Don't try to imitate others, okay? The truth is going to bring to your knees. Bring to your knees means a person, a child who speaks truth. Truth makes him humble, gentle. He is very good. He is loved by everyone. And it also means that truth not let you stand tall in arrogance and ego. Truth is so powerful that it forces anyone to ground reality. It brings the person down to very honest, humble level. It symbolizes liberation that is begged when sit on knees for prayers. Now next stanza. The truth is that we all need. The truth is the end of a mystery. Children, truth is needed every time, everywhere, for everyone. The truth is an of the mystery. If you are telling lie, it means it bring confusion. But if you are speaking truth, it creates no problem for you. It brings no confusion. It makes our life smooth. Truth makes our life so smooth. The truth is out there, the search is not in vain. The truth is out there in the rain. The truth is out there, you will be see the truth is out there for you and me everywhere. Whatever you see, truth is there, and whatever truth is there, everyone happiness is there. All the people who speak truth, they are happy, they are successful. For everyone, truth is there for you and for me means for everyone in this world. There means everywhere, truth is everywhere in every particle of this world. Truth is in nature, in trees, and even in rain. Now I am going to read out the last stanza. Say what you want, but you better believe the truth is a goal we all must achieve. Children, whatever you want, say that only. If your life, your goal should be to achieve, if you want to achieve truth, to speak truth and achieve your goal. So, what should be your aim? That you are to speak truth and then be successful, achieve your goal in your life. I am going to explain this poem also in Hindi a little bit. In this poem, the poet wants to say, तुम वही कहो जो तुम कहना चाहते हो, जिसका कोई मतलब हो याद करो। उन अंधेरों को याद करो जो तुम्हें रोशनी की तरफ लेकर जाते हैं। सच्चाई वह चीज़ है जो आपको दिन के उजालों की तरह रोशन कर देगी। अगर झूठ रूपी वो अंधेरा है, अगर आप झूठ रूपी अंधेरे को छोड़कर अगर आप जीवन में सच्चाई को शामिल करेंगे तो दिन की रोशनी की तरह आपको हमेशा ये अंदर से भी रोशन कर देगी। और तुम हमेशा वही रहो जो तुम हो। तुम्हारे अंदर ही तुम्हारी सच्चाई छिपी हुई है जो तुमको विनम्र बनाती है, मिलनसार बनाती है, सच्चाई के मार्ग पर लेकर जाती है। आज का जो दौर है बच्चों, वो दिखावे का दौर है। दिखावे के युग से निकलकर जो ढोंग है, ढोंग रूपी रास्ते को छोड़कर सच्चाई के मार्ग पर आप चलें। और अगर आप सच्चाई के मार्ग पर चलते हैं तो आप बिल्कुल जो आपका गोल है, जो आप ज़िंदगी में कुछ हासिल करना चाहते हैं, डेफिनेटली अचीव करेंगे। और सच तो वह है जिसकी हम सबको ज़रूरत है, और सच में इतनी ताकत है कि वह सब संख्याओं परेशानियों को दूर कर देती है। और जीवन एक रहस्य है, और इस रहस्य को जानने के लिए हमें सच्चाई को अपने जीवन में शामिल करना पड़ेगा। हम लोग इस जिद में लगे रहते हैं अपने गोल्स अचीव करने के लिए। जीवन हम जीते चले जाते हैं झूठे युग में, जो झूठ का दौर है उसी में हम लोग जीते हैं, दिखावे पे चले जाते हैं। लेकिन कहीं सच्चाई हमारे जीवन से विलुप्त हो गई है। लेकिन हमें उस सच्चाई के मार्ग को अपनाना है, और हमेशा सच का जो रास्ता है उसे हमें अपनाना है। अगर हम सच्चाई के रास्ते पे चलेंगे और सच को अपनाएंगे तो हमारी ज़िंदगी में कभी किसी प्रकार का अंधकार नहीं रहेगा, और हम लाइफ में हमेशा सच के रास्ते पे चलेंगे तो हमेशा आगे बढ़ते चले जाएंगे। So in this poem the poet wants to say that be truthful always. I hope you understood it. So students, here are some word meanings. So I am going to say the word meanings. Bring you to your knees. It means make you humble. Mystery, something that puzzles or confuses. In vain means unsuccessful. And here is some exercises given over here. So read the poem carefully and choose the correct answer. What you have to do here? First you have to read the poem lines of this poem and choose the correct answer from these options. So first info, say what you want, mean what you say. This line means one should talk all the time, one should not make false promises, or one should not talk at all. The option B, one should not make false promises, is the right option. Okay, so tick in your book, option B is the right option. Second, be who you are, do as you please. Here the narrator wants us to be who you are, do as you please. So option A, behave like other people do, behave badly, or be natural and not copy other people. Yes. So tick option C, be natural and not copy other people. This is the right option. Okay. Now number 3, the truth is the end of a mystery. This means truth, option A, the truth is the only thing that can remove all confusion. Truth causes mysterious things to happen. Option C, being truthful is difficult. So option A, Truth is the only thing that can remove all confusion. So take option A, this is the right answer. Now come to question number 4. The truth is out there, the search is not in vain. This means option A, it is difficult to be truthful. No one is truthful in this world, or the search for truth is always rewarding. Yes, the search for truth is always rewarding. This is the right option. So take it. So take option C. This is the right answer. Now come to last one, that is number 5th. The truth is a goal we all must achieve. Here the narrator wants to say that the truth is goal we all must achieve. Option A, we should try to be truthful all the time. Being truthful is not the right thing to do. Being truthful can be harmful. We should try to be truthful all the time. So this we from the help of truth we all must can achieve our goal. So option A, this is the right answer. Take it. We should try to be truthful all the time. So students, at last I am going to give you some homeworks that write and learn this poem, and also write the word meanings of this chapter, and do this exercise in the book and copy too. Okay, then I will come again with another chapter in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.